You know, Wes, I didn't think things would go this way. I mean, you know better than anyone that I've never liked to resort to methods like this. But, God, Wes, I counted on you. You know, I trusted you. Anyway, there are a few things that we need to straighten out before we go our separate ways. I think I've made it pretty clear that this is not how I wanted to confront you, but shit, I can't just not say it now, so. I know what you did, Wesley. After last night, I'm sure it comes as no shock to you that I know what you did, but I do. And don't try to play dumb with me because I have always seen straight through that bullshit. Ever since we were kids, you have never been able to lie to me, not for one fucking minute, which is why I keep racking my brain trying to figure out how the hell you hid this from me. Do not act like you don't know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what you did, Wesley, and I just want to know why. I want to know why you did every stupid, reckless thing that you did to her that day. Every disgusting thing that you did to my daughter. She was 8 years old, Wesley, a fucking child, and you took her away from me, and I want to know why. This is not too much to ask. I want to know why you picked her up from school that day, drove her to your pathetic little bachelor pad, and hurt her the way that you did. She trusted you, Wesley. I trusted you. You're my baby brother. And after all this time, all I can think about is why my baby brother would rape and murder my little girl. You know, the thing is, once I put it all together, I was barely even surprised. I guess I've always known that you had a screw loose. Hell, I guess I do too. But then there was the problem of what to do next. Of course, I thought I should call the police, but I just couldn't bring myself to do that. So I had to take the matter into my own hands, you see? So that's why we're in this little predicament. Look, like I said, I never wanted it to go this far, Wesley. I never meant to kill you. But, oh, what's that old saying? Birds of a feather, ... I guess I barely surprised myself, too. Oh, and to answer your question that you asked last night with your last breath, no. No, I don't think I'm going to regret this at all.